What's up, muscle car people? This is Bring It Muscle Cars, and we're bringing you another install. Today I'm going to get the Race Star drag wheels installed. I'm going to get the tires put on. Pick these up from CJ Pony Parts. They pick up the tire sensor and they just go in the valve stem instead of having a band and everything around them. So we're going to get those installed, the tires mounted up onto the wheels, and hopefully by the end of the day the Shelby will have drag wheels on it. Pretty excited about this. Let's see how it goes. To install the bigger rear wheels, we need to do a sway bar relocation kit. I bought the BMR part number SRK001. I think this is pretty much the standard one everybody uses. And we're going to try to follow the instructions. Follow along because you know something's going to go wrong with me installing it. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll take it from there and get this done. The wheels should be done this afternoon. And we're going to try to get some other parts done before I put the wheels on, but hopefully before tonight everything is ready and installed and I can get the wheels on. And hopefully tomorrow I can drive it to the car meet with the new Race Star bracket racer wheels on it. Alright, let's see how this goes.
Much.
You know what you're doing?
What's that?
You know what you're doing?
No.
What are you doing?
So doing a sway bar relocation kit, because you have to cut this part off so you can put 15 by 10s on.
Wow.
Yeah.
15 by 10s?
Yeah. Wheels.
On this car?
Yeah. So you go smaller wheels.
I had 10s and that was no car. I don't know.
10-inch wide.
Yeah, I had 10s on my, not on that one, my old one. 05.
Yeah. This you have to do it. I'm surprised it fit with no problems.
Yeah, mine, I had no.
Yeah.
Pretty sure there was more clearance after that.
Yeah. Maybe because, no, it's because you had a bigger wheel. You had like a 20-inch or...
Yeah.
That's why. So 15 is right here instead of being out here.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
So you go with a smaller tire or a smaller wheel, so you can get more sidewall. so that way you'll hook better.
Hey, you gotta get your Instagram page started up.
I know.
I can help you with
I'll
that.
have to have you help me.
Yeah, I mean, it's really not that bad though.
Yeah.
But I mean, you got a lot of community there for most things people too. So
Yeah. Did you see how many subscribers I have?
yeah. Well, how many do you have now?
Over 370.
I saw you hit like 300 or something.
Yeah. All because of Andy.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. Like, I'm gonna owe him a beer.
Yeah, I mean, I'm up to like 84, 85 right now.
Nice.
And I'm gonna be collaborating with people.
Yeah.
I know I was over at JR Garage the other day. They got like 510,000.
Yeah. If we could do something with them. I thought they subscribed to me. I was like, oh, awesome, you know? But it was JD Garage. Oh, fuck. Then I realized what it was, you know?
The install on the sway bar relocation kit is complete. You can see in the video, it really wasn't that bad. It would have been super easy if I would have had another hand to help me, just someone to get the other side as you're trying to do one side, help get it up there. I would recommend getting a short 14mm wrench. I got this one at Lowe's and it was $5, but what it did was it fit up on the top a lot easier. You'll see when I did it the first time, it didn't work. Like the longer one was just really tight. It was hard to get in there. This smaller one fit to do the top bolt of the bracket, and it wasn't so bad to do then. So that I would recommend that. The other tools I used was a 14mm deep socket. That was to put the brackets back on, to put the new brackets on, and a 15mm socket to take the brackets, the original brackets, off. Did a cutoff tool to cut it, and I used a cheap grinder with a flap wheel to deburr it, make it a little bit smoother so it's not super sharp. I got both of those tools at Harbor Freight and they were on sale. I think I paid $25 for the two of them. I may never use them again, so it works well for me. I'd also recommend some pry bars just to make it a little easier to move the sway bar around. But that's really all the install was. It takes maybe an hour and a half to 2 hours. And just remember, I'm not a mechanic. I just play one on YouTube, so if I can do it, pretty much anybody can do it. And if you're really handy, you're gonna get it done even faster. If I did it again, I'd probably be able to do it in under an hour, just because I know what I'm doing now. And you know, that's the way most things work. So here are the wheels fully installed, the Raystar bracket racers. I think they look really good. They're a little darker than the car, but they're a lot better looking, I think, than just straight black, because everybody does black. And I really like how they look. And I love how the brakes look through the wheels. I think that looks so mean. It looks more like a high performance car now because of, you can really see the brakes and they look really good. So I really like how the wheels look. Let me know what you think of them. If you have any experience with them and the Mickey Thompson tires, let me know how you like them, what you thought of them. Thanks for watching the video. If you made it this far, hit like, hit the subscribe button, and if you got a fast car, bring it.
Okay.